The P2X Fury with IntelliBeam, it shares its heritage with the P2X Fury, obviously. That means you get 600 lumens, and the reflector's been designed in such a way that you get a beautiful broad beam with a ton of light with a good solid hotspot. And on top of that, you add the IntelliBeam technology, which now makes that beam adaptive to whatever it is that you're doing with it. But in the automatic mode, when you first turn it on, it ramps up, and then everywhere around you, you get the optimal amount of light for your environment. When the light hits a sensor, that's where the microprocessor takes over. The algorithm that we've designed is very advanced. There's a lot of calculations that go into it, and they all have to do with the biochemistry of your eye and how your eye reacts. The first thing that happens before the light even gets emitted from the front of the light is it's taking a reading of your environment. So it never comes on with the brightness that will affect your night vision. It will slowly ramp up much quicker than you can notice, but certainly it will never ever swap out your vision with too much light. And if you use the IntelliBeam, one thing that you find right away is that you stop thinking about the light. The light does the thinking for you. If you find yourself needing to lock in the maximum output of the light, simply press or click the button again within a second to get the full 600 lumens. In order for something like this to come into being, it requires that you walk around somewhere where there are hundreds of years of collective experience. That's what we have here at SureFire. We innovate tirelessly, and we do it with one thing in mind. That's bringing you the best gear in the world, period.